What's up everybody? Welcome back to Wasatch Moto Overland. Today I've got a really cool hack that every single camper should know about, specifically those who are in areas where sometimes due to fires, wildfires, and threats of wildfires are not able to build an actual campfire, or those of you who just like the simplicity of using one of these. I'm going to show you a really cool hack, so stay with me and we'll show you how to do it. So out here in Utah, we oftentimes have burn bans where you're not allowed to create a real fire. And we have used this little propane fire pit a lot. And it puts out a really good flame, puts out a lot of heat. It has these little holes that actually, and it's pretty low, so it does generate a lot more heat actually than some of those lifted up concrete fire pits. So what I recently discovered was something that can make this into something that's more versatile than just a fire pit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this material, and in order to optimize it, we're gonna use like this corner. But basically, we're just going to cut this the exact size of this little platform where the lid sets, and this will transform from just a fire pit to a cooking surface. You can warm up your coffee with your percolator instead of having to use your propane stove if you're cooking. You could also put pans on this and cook your breakfast on it. So it makes a nice little platform, and really should be really easy to use. So basically all I'm going to do is set this where I want it, and from the top I'm just going to eyeball it. And I'm just going to go around, put a dot where you need to cut. Just like that. So next we're just going to get our grinder out. Just going to cut this out with our grinding wheel, and then it should be as easy as that. So as you just saw, we could totally cut this with a grinder all the way around, but I did just acquire a plasma cutter for $130 on Amazon. If you haven't seen this, check out my other video on this plasma cutter. That was pretty easy. So what we're gonna do now, we've got our rough shape cut out. We're gonna hit it with a 36 paddle wheel. Not super necessary, but it's just gonna smooth these out. Look at that. Sick. Now, this grabs onto that, so I'm wondering if we cut a little section out here and then one there, if this will close on top of it. So we just have to take these two out right here. Let's try that. Perfect. Now this should clamp in right here. Works. And this one, we'll just need to take out these two. Moment of truth. That locks in. And boom. Check that out, y'all. I'm gonna leave this off, even though I can lock the top and be able to move this around without these rocks falling out, just due to the fact that if this spark igniter ever gives me any problems, I'll have access to it. Sometimes it just gets built up on it, so it's nice to have this removable to where you can take it off if needed. So I'll show it to you in action. I'm gonna grab my propane, Alright, so let's show you how easy this thing is. So there's just a tab right here. You simply pull that tab out and this will unlock. So we have an ignition starter here. So we're just gonna turn it on. Check that out. So you have all this surface. Got my little percolator. If you wanted to heat up your coffee, you can just have this section of this whole space. You can still warm up around it, which is super awesome. That is super versatile. And this will hold a lot of weight. This holds this cast iron pan absolutely no problem. So super awesome hack for your propane fire pit. For those of you who, like I said, either are under a fire ban or if you're just conscious of your surroundings, you want to do like the leave no trace kind of thing, this is an awesome option. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video and found this hack helpful, make sure and leave this video a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it. And in addition to that, we're getting really close to our 1,000 subscriber accomplishment. We're super excited for that. So to kind of celebrate that a little bit, we're going to be doing a $100 gift card giveaway at the end of this month of June. So leave a comment below in the comment section here. Let me know what you think about this video and our channel in general, and you'll be automatically entered to win that. So we'll be doing the announcement for that giveaway at the very end of this month. So make sure you stick around for that video and see if you won the $100, and you can put it towards your gear for your next outdoor adventure. Well, thanks again for watching guys, and I hope you have a great rest of the day and happy camping. Later.